Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Friday's here, last day of the week. Last day of the week to make some money. Hope everyone's doing well. Right, news. We haven't got... Well, we have actually got something today. Consumer sentiment at 10 AM. Trump speaking again, man. This wasn't there a minute ago. Oh, it's the Putin Alaska situation, innit? I forgot it was today, to be honest. So that could be at any point. I don't think it'll be early, so I don't think it's anything to worry about, but you never know. You never know. I am down 1 hour this morning on the funded. Tried to long from previous day value high. Got the reaction. Was about a tick away from take profit. But then eventually got stopped out. Fucking long ass trade it was. Long ass trade. The only thing I didn't really sort of consider was the level that we have bounced off of. Was the news candle high that we had yesterday. I was sort of looking at these wicks as a sort of support level. We ended up finding the support at this news candle high from yesterday's PPI news. So I think I still would have taken it anyway, but that's probably why we dove a bit deeper into there. But we're buying up at the minute. But the only other trade that I like the idea of, to be honest, is point of control. Current week point of control looks quite strong as well. But we'll have to sort of see what time it is when we get down there. That's on the funders anyway. Still doing this indicator. I had a good day yesterday, so yeah, fingers crossed we can end the week strong. I've been trying to drag myself out of drawdown. I had a really bad day on Monday, really bad start to it. Just happened to be a really choppy day for it. And I'm at break even now, so if we can get a nice win in today on there, it will put me in the green for the week, which would be nice. What we've got though, 2.5 minutes. Leo, how you doing, mate? Hope you're doing well. Bias for this session. Shot. I think Nasdaq feels like it's looking like we're due for a retracement. I think. What was I looking at? The hourly earlier? No, the daily. Look at these. The last 2 days we've had on the daily on the Nasdaq. It seems like it's last day of the week. I can't see anything amazing happening. I can see it's probably just retracing down. Start of the week was here, yeah, retrace down into more of the midweek of the range kind of thing. But sort of what I'm thinking. But I'm happy to go whatever way. Right, 1 minute. It was very slow for me. Not much profit made, but glad I'm alive. A lot of good opportunities missed. Yeah, I've had a really good week on the funded. Don't really know why or how. Just sort of seems to have worked out like that. Yeah, it's been a bit of a strange week, really, isn't it? But yeah, I am up. Lost this morning. 283 overall 3 funded accounts, which I'm pretty happy with. I mean, it's the best week I've had that I can remember. Right, 20 seconds and we're open. As we're opening up within these 2 yellow lines, I could get a signal to get into a trade pretty early on. So opening today is volatile, yeah, man. Lots of buying has been happening. I feel like at this level here. on ES, but we'll see. ES is still looking fairly strong though. Still, it's the only thing that puts me off short in today. But all right, looks like we could be getting a signal straight away. Get myself ready. It was absolutely mental, potentially getting in a trade first fucking minute of the open. Very heavy candle. Yeah, it's very counterintuitive, but I've got to follow it. Follow the rules, do what I'm told. TradeDay low. Was that what I like the look of? I think that was yes. I'm on the right account. I took this the short that I took this morning, the long that I took this morning on the funded. I took on my on the test account, my 50k that I'm doing. At least I thought I did, but I took it on this account. Luckily got out of break even or for about $45 win, and got in on the right account. I'm glad about, because I wanted to keep this account specifically for this strategy. Yeah, I'm having a barbecue today after the stream. If I remember, I'll try and get some pictures in the Discord. Won't be anything like yours. I'm a burgers and sausages kind of guy, and that's it. I don't do anything fancy. We don't have steaks and ribs and stuff like you do, man. Oh, yes, looking heavy as well. How much is the win rate of the indicator? I'm not actually sure. I mean, the only stats I've seen for, I'll pull them up quickly. I'll ask Q and you should let me know at some point. I don't think he's trading today though. But I mean, these are the results in points. This is July's results. And that was June's results. Yeah, there's no win rate on there, is there? I can see. Yeah, first week of August. I don't imagine it's a very high win rate strategy, to be honest. It's more of a capitalise off the big days kind of thing, I think, from what I can gather. But yeah, from what I've been trading obviously this week, and yeah, so far my experience is it wouldn't be that high of a win rate, because yeah, you normally take a couple of smaller losses and then you get the bigger win. Yesterday was quite nice. It was literally like a one trade win, wasn't it? But yeah, every other day has been like maybe two losses, and then you then get like a 4-1 kind of thing. So sort of makes up for the couple of losses that you took originally. Just sort of trying to decide where I want my take profit. Trying to figure out what kind of day it is. I do like previous day low as the take profit. Then if we do have a really dumpy day, I'm going to end up missing out in I. But the hardest bit about, I think, this indicator is now when to take profit. Because you kind of rely on the bigger days to make it a really decent indicator, I think, really decent strategy. But I just don't know if we'll get that big day today. Indicator give you a take profit and stop loss. It gives you a stop loss 2 points behind the signal candle, basically. So this is obviously the candle that's told me to go short. I get in at the close of the candle, and then I put it 2 points behind. So obviously the stop losses varies quite drastically, and then take profit is literally liquidity levels, basically highs and lows and stuff like that. So I'm looking at yesterday's low as my sort of target. That's what I'm thinking. We could get a big day, but next level that I liked was 733. What I'll probably do, to be honest, if we're coming down quick enough, is when we get close to it, just aggressively trail my stop. So I'm pretty much hitting this as my take profit. If we do end up blasting through and just absolutely dumping, then I get some more out of it. But it'd be nice to end on a nice green day. End the week up. I don't want to move this now. Move this down there. When we get to the previous day low, I'll trail aggressively if we get there. But I'm looking forward to a little barbie today. It's supposed to be fucking 28 or something like that today, 28 degrees. Far too hot to cook indoors, basically. That's barbecue. What you having for barbecue? Mate, nothing like what you do. Nothing as fancy as you, man. Burgers and sausages would be all I'll do. I'm a simple guy. Burgers and sausage is all I need. You go all out there, don't you? You do steaks, you do ribs. You have it all going on. I'm just a burgers and sausage kind of guy. That's good. No, that's it. That's all you need, innit? That's all you need. I think the missus has done some grilled onions and pickled eggs and stuff like that. Bit of potato salad or something. I don't know. I'll just stick to the meat though. Oh, should I get rid of this pole? 67% reckon long. Which I think is two of you. What I've going on right now is a diet. Wife not happy with the dad bod I've got going on right now. What? Dad bod without a kid. That's surprising. I thought the dad bod was in these days. My missus likes the dad bod. I'm trying to get there, but I'm a bit on the scrawny side. Yeah, I thought dad bods were in. Alert for all ES is setting off. So we could get a little reaction from this level here, I think. See, Matt, where was yesterday's low? So yeah, look, yesterday's low on ES all the way fucking down here, man. Looking quite heavy. Quite heavy on ES, which is good. about to hit current weak point of control. Could get a reaction from there. Yo, Nathan, how you doing, mate? Just keeping an eye on ES, see where we're at. Right, just hitting point of control now. Current weak point of control. Yeah, I feel like this level could be the potential low. I'm moving this down in preparation. Alright, I'm trying to stop right behind this 1 minute bar. ES is at a level where I feel like it could reverse. I'd like to see this low get swept first. Just, right. Trading stoppers there, nice. Oh yes, it's melting. There you go, I'm out. Nice, man, nice. What does that put me at? 1,465 up. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, good week, really. Bit of a crappy start. Took me a little while to get back out. But I mean, Monday, I was 1,800 down. Because we had a really, really bad day for it. And I don't think I was trading it too well either. I was getting a bit confused and stuff. So yeah, from Monday being 1,800 down to now being 1,000, what was it? 400 up? 1,400 up. Well, 1,345 up. Is not bad, so. What is that on the... What's that gain? 1,005 and... So I mean, if we ignored Monday, from Tuesday through to Friday, I'm 3,100 up, which is that's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. Cheers, mate. I mean, I didn't really do much reading. It was just this indicator told me to enter, and I entered. Nice, mate. Cheers to Han. Cheers, Leo. Yeah, really happy with that. Yeah, what made me trail so aggressive? We're at levels where I feel like we could get a response from on ES. I was thinking current weak point of control, but we've absolutely melted through that. But just look at this volume here. To be fair, this is actually on the micros, and I never trust the micro volume. Oh, not quite as high actually on the minis. We could get a bit more out of it. Yeah, I always sort of use that highest volume bar. If it's the highest volume in the session, it's often a place to reverse, I find. So I kind of keep an eye out for it. If we're getting a massive volume spike at a level or sort of a high, low or something. I quite often think that this could be the low, at least the short-term low. Oh. Yeah, I think if you're doing this strategy, it could work really well with like runners, taking partials kind of thing. Obviously, I'm trading the minis, so I can only got room for one at the minute. But if I was to go down to say micros, maybe do 10 micros, could have shaved off like what, 7 micros on at that level. Held 3 if we went further down. Could be a good way to do it in the future. I was just happy to lock in the profits, to be honest. So yeah, get a bit of a reaction, aren't we? Yes, respecting that value low level. So yeah, I might potentially look for a maybe a short previous day point of control. Slow, how you doing, mate? The trade's going so far. Took a loss this morning on the funded, trying to long previous day value or high. Got the reaction I was looking for. Come about a sort of tick, 2 ticks away from take profit, and yeah, went a bit further down. But just got in a nice short position on another 150k test account, which was a 1,465 win on that. So buzzing. Good way to end the week, eh? And to support the chat. 30 minutes, how's it going? Lewis, nice man. How you doing? On the stream. I'm a changed man. It's because now you're not trading. You've got time to like the stream, haven't you? Hope your week's been alright though, mate. Hey, when that happens, man, all the hope you got it right just to get reversed. Yeah, man. I was feeling good about it as well. I was feeling good about it. I was this 5-minute chart, and we're chopping around for a bit. Then we had like a little sweep of the lows, then a push up, and thought, all right, this is it. I've got it. I've got it. And then Uno reversed me and had one more sweep of the low, and pushed up. Yes, I can think. Best month to date for me. I'm buzzing. Ah, nice, Lewis, man. Nice. Happy days, man. It's because you've not been distracted by me and my good looks. Actually, done better on my fresh account. Started from August and the account I was trying on. That's because it's a fresh account, new start in it. I feel like mentally it helps. I see a nice dub here on the screen. What's dub? What's dub? Got a nice short on the using Hugh's indicator. That 1,400 on a 150k account. Pretty happy with my take profit at the minute, to be honest. Struggling a little bit at this level, so it's always nicer to get out before the struggle. What's Indicator Man Trading View? It's one of my subscribers, Hugh. I don't know if you'd have seen him in chat before. He's made an indicator that basically tells you when to long or short between during the New York AM session. And to be honest, mate, it seems pretty fucking decent. I've set up a new 50k account and been trading it this week, and yeah, I'm up. I had a rough start to it on Monday, but been getting out of drawdown all week, and yeah, now I'm up on the account. So. Yeah, it tells you when to sell, when to long, tells you where to put your stop loss. The only thing it doesn't tell you is where to put your take profit. So sort of as and when you sort of see fit. To be fair, I feel like I've always been quite good at calling good take profits, so hopefully I shouldn't have issues with it, but we'll see. 10 my trades on that. A full move. My main account's nice, man. I was too scared, but that's the mental change in P&L from holding and folding early. Yeah, man. Makes all the difference just holding even a little bit more, doesn't it? I think as long as you've got a decent level and you're confident in that level, and I think once you're approaching that level to try to stop aggressively, it's a good way to do it. But I mean, for me, I was looking at ES, and I was looking at current weak point of control, and that was sort of where I was sort of thinking we could get a bit of resistance. And then when I saw we blasted through that, I felt a bit more confident, and yeah, started getting a little bit of a reaction from here. So then trailed down aggressively. Whoa, fuck me, what is this? Oh, we had that news, didn't we? Was that news? I've been paying attention. Yes. Is that just because it was micros? You get a bit more of a wick on a micro sometimes, don't you? Oh, we got it on here as well. That's no shot. Let's go, Lewis. About fucking time I got some winners in it. Lewis, on the funders, mate, I've had the best week I've had in ages. Overall 3 fundeds, doing the volume profile stuff up 283. Not amazing, but yeah, 3 wins, 1 loss, which is better than I've had in a while. Better than I've had in a while. Yeah, it's been a good little week for me. I need to stay away more. Yeah, maybe it's you. Yeah, maybe you're the issue. I think I said that before. Oh, Nathan's long. Good luck, man. Good luck. We're approaching. You basically, with this indicator, you only get signals within these 2 yellow lines. So I could potentially get another signal in a minute. It sort of goes against everything that I do, though. Like, I've had a lovely win. It goes against what I sort of normally do, is then getting into another trade, but I've got to follow it to the T, and I've got to follow it to the T. Fucking hell, Lewis. Cheers, man. I don't know what that announcement was. I set it up fucking about a year ago and I've no idea how to even change it. Sorry if it was shit. Cheers, Lewis, mate. Appreciate that. Let's fucking go on the best week. Cheers, man. Yeah, I'm glad we're all having a good week. But I think when I first started streaming, I set that alert box up, and it does some scatty voice, and comes up with some scattiness, and I can't remember what it is. I think I've only had one other super chat before from K-Man to buy some nappies for when little ones are. One of my stocks, New Bank, posted great earnings yesterday at 14%. Ooh, 14%. Nice, man. It's a good little push up on the day, isn't it? I was expecting fireworks, but good on you. I'll try and find some fireworks, mate. I'll try and find some fireworks. I've got to have a look at it and get it a bit better, really, and I. UNH, which Warren Buffett announced the position in UH. Yes, I saw that he's been buying. I've been meaning to watch a video to see what he's been buying, but I haven't got around to it yet. I've got it in my watch later playlist. So I always like to keep an eye on what he's buying. Trouble is, though, by the time he's bought it, that's it. By the time he's bought it and you're aware that he's bought it, you need to have bought it before he's bought it. What's UN? How much is UNH up them today? I bet that's gone up a few, isn't it? Whoa, man. Just looking at your DM, Lewis. Fair play, man. Fair play. I won't worry about that house, mate. You'll be able to buy a better one in a minute. Jeez, just saw the top figure, man. The monthly figure. Gotta be careful. Top Step will ban you soon. My keyboard is dying, I think. I don't really count when I can take it all, but I'm going to take 5k next week and then see what I can run up to. Many accounts now don't look great compared, but that was 3 months ago. Can't complain. Yeah, man. I mean, I definitely wouldn't focus on running them up too much. Especially like, you know what I mean, prop firms, you fucking can never trust them, can you? Make sure you, just make sure you take your profits out, man. Because yeah, you never know what's going to happen. God forbid something might go wrong with your strategy. And it might not be working anymore. So yeah, make sure you, obviously don't completely empty them. But yeah, just make sure you, get out a decent amount, man. Because that's, you don't want to lose that kind of money. Then try and take 25k out. Period I can do 5 times. Okay, yeah. I mean, is this only one account, Lewis? Have you got a couple of these accounts, have you? So you're about taking 5k out of each one, is that right? Yeah, for no fucking hell, man. That's insane. Right now, I feel like this could be my path to live. Then I want to have as much starting balance as I can. Or then up the size, yeah, 4 in total. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, but I think they'll probably move you over to live pretty soon. I reckon they won't want to be paying that much money at their own pocket, at least, anyway. I just want to say, okay, yeah. Oh, I thought you meant you were copy trading all 4 of them. So it was that amount times 4 every day. Could be getting another signal here. Let's get ready for that. Rest not that big compared, but I have taken 4 payouts and the 2 mains and the smaller account I started to claim, but much smaller size. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't even bother with trying to even get any more accounts. I think you'll be on a live soon, I reckon. And yeah, if you're going over to live, it'd be nice to have a decent starting balance just for emotional reasons. Do you know what I mean? You want to have a nice big buffer in there, just so it doesn't throw you off worrying about being too low to the whatever the max loss limit is and shit like that. Right, we're getting another signal to go long. I don't love it, but I gotta follow the rules, man. Follow the rules to get the true true results. Right, I'm in. I want to put the take profit at high. I'm planning to get any more for now. Yeah, nice buffer and Tally would do me fine. Yeah, that's it, mate. Regular money, regular withdrawals. That's all you need in life, innit? Anyone who wants to go live, I highly recommend Purdy. I'm sure someone else has said about Purdy before. Might have been you though, to be fair, Nathan. Still changing a week, but taking your discipline and limiting my trades. Yeah, I mean, my discipline. What discipline you've seen there? But I mean, limited trades definitely that's because you don't. If you're making money from the 1 or 2 trades that you take in a day, you don't need to be taking 10, man. You don't need to be taking 10. The less time that you're sat there on the charts, the less time that you're in position, the better. Really. Yeah, I don't know if anyone saw that. I'm getting short signals flash up and sort of indicates that I could be closing out this and getting into a short, but it'll go wait for the candle close. Right, I'm out of that and I'm in a short. Also now wear running glass because I feel like it's a lucky omen. Oh mate, you're gonna have to send me a picture of that. You're gonna have to send me a selfie of that. So you sit there at your computer with running glasses on. Quality. Anything for the win. Mate, you gotta do what you gotta do. I bet your missus comes in and thinks, what the fuck are you wearing? Oh, yes, it's looking a little bit heavy. That's good if we're in a short. Yeah, I'd like to push away from entry. I feel like I could quite easily just get chopped up here and end up giving away all my profits. Anything I wouldn't do is wear an Arsenal shirt, rather be broke. Rather be poor. Fair play. I'm looking at NQ shorts if I get an entry. Okay, nice. Makes me feel a bit better about the position I'm in. Trouble is, where's the take profit going to be on this? Yes, it's looking like it wants to maybe keep going. Just struggling on that previous day value alone, haven't we? We have tapped into the previous all-time high again, haven't we? Where's that 5 minute? What do you reckon then, boys? If this is a valid short, if we keep pushing down, do you reckon lower day, or do you reckon we bounce again at this area? I'm unsure. I've got a goal ball to smack. Enjoy, Lewis. Cheers again, mate, for that $5. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, cheers for stopping by, and yeah, I'm glad you had a good week. And I'll see you whenever you're around next, mate. Stop by at the end of August. I want to see the that full month complete. Popping towards the end of the month. Yeah, nice one. All the best. See you later, Lewis, mate. I'd love a lovely heavy sell-off. That would fucking make my day, that would. I'm waiting, made 1K on practice so far. That's good, man. That's good. That's it for trades. I'm on by 3:30. Yeah, okay. I think we're done. Are we done for news now? Yeah, we should be, other than Trump and Putin and their boxing match, whatever time that's going to be. Let's fucking go, man. Lovely minute close there. Let's trade, man. We'll see. We'll see. This bar's looking a bit nasty. Maybe it's just a sweep of that little high. I'll move my take profit down if we get down there, but to be honest, by the time we get into the 800s, I'll be trading aggressively, I think, if we get there. ES is fighting it. I didn't sit a hold, man. That's over my heart is going mental. But I'm thinking I was stressing to the max. I mean, I do get stressed out over it. But I don't know. Stress balls are quite good. I've got this thing at the minute, which I've been sitting and squeezing sometimes. It's quite fun. Just something to do with your rounds. Looks going to be a stop out. Woohoo! Well, I've got a long entry. I'm going long. This is getting a little bit messy now. Right, I'm out. Could be looking at a short. Remember for a short. This is the only thing I don't love about this indicator. It can get very flip-floppy, and if you get a bit range bound in this area, it can really rinse you away. I'm down at what? 600 just from this little chop zone that we're in. I mean, watch these levels, they're not part of you that thinks it might keep going. What do you mean? Like, when you're near take profit and you're sort of wondering, obviously, oh, should I take profit here or should I just leave it because I think it might keep going? Is that what you mean? Yes, there's always a part of me that thinks that. But there's been plenty of times where I thought that and it hasn't. And I think the best thing to do is take profit or at least partials at the earliest possible level. Do you know what I mean? Even if it means you're a good way to do it is have your actual take profit further than you than that level, but as soon as you get to your first level, aggressively throw a stop loss. And then the worst thing that's going to happen is then you've been stopped out at just below your initial take profit if it does keep pushing. When you're holding, hits a certain level, reverses, and then keeps pushing. Got up 200 on that red candle before. Okay, yeah. I mean, it's just part of it, isn't it? It's a 150k account as well, so it's not like 200 is not far off break even really on the 150k, is it? I'm doing one mini. Yeah, part of me wants to move to break even, but you just got to let it play out. Let it play out. Yeah, it's the only thing I don't love about this indicator is I've literally shaved off $600 just from long and shorting, long and shorting. But the thing is, if you don't do this, you'll miss potentially an entry, a great entry to a good move. Do you know what I mean? There's always a possibility that we never get that move and we just chop around. Sort of what happened on Monday, which is a bit shit. I mean, once I've been doing this indicator for a bit and I'm sort of more confident using it and stuff, at the minute I'm literally taking every signal. But in the future, I might sort of decide, well, if I've had the first trade was a great trade, I might just call it a day there. Because there's no need to then get chopped up unnecessarily, do you know what I mean? I mean, even though this trade might end up doubling my my profit on the day, so maybe it's worthwhile doing it, but I'll never touch minis. I've been burned so many times on those. I always stick to the micros. Yeah, you can do just fine on micros. Micros is good. You can make good money on micros. I mean, last year when I was doing my EMA strategy, I ran my fundeds up to what, 3k each on micros. So that was like just under 10k on overall 3 accounts, all on micros. So you can just, yeah, you can make good money on micros, and that was in the space of like 4 months. I do prefer micros as well because it gives you more options when with like scaling out of trades as well. But then the only trouble is you then pay for it in the fees, don't you? Micros are more expensive with the fees. Like 10 micros will cost you a lot more in fees than what 1 mini would. What is ES doing? ES is looking like it could be breaking this level now. That could be interesting. I think I spend $7.40 per 10 yet. It's not too bad really. On Top Step it's a lot better. I think if you were trading it on a live personal account, let's say, it would be costing you a lot more, I think. But Top Step I don't think have any fees, I don't think. So they literally charge you like the bare minimum that they can charge you, I think. Come on, ES. Cool down, man. Come on, ES, push up. Oh, you in longs there. Sorry, mate, I'm calling it wrong for you. Come on then, let's melt away, let's melt away. Supposed to be trying to have an early day today because we were doing the barbecue, weren't we? So I said I would try and finish early, but could be a little bit of a longer one. I hate range-bound markets. Come on, let's go, let's go. Yes, at the bottom of that range again. We're going to break below it. Made an email confirmation for long range. Yeah, could do, but I mean, the whole idea of it is you just follow the instructions kind of thing. I think as soon as you start adding indicators and stuff, you're going to end up missing trades because you want to talk yourself out of it, and then as soon as you start talking yourself out of a couple of winners, it's then probably not profitable anymore. Mate, you set it up, said basically you don't have any indicators on, so it just distract you. And yeah, the way it works, obviously, if it's not a high win rate strategy, and then you're talking yourself out of the one winner of the day kind of thing, it won't be profitable for very long. So I think it's good to take every one. Yeah, I think the only thing that the only reason I could possibly like not take everyone is if I have like the first trade is a great trade, then maybe it's not worth the risk of potentially getting chopped up later in the session and just calling it quits after the first good trade kind of thing. Because I mean, obviously, if this trade works out, great. If it doesn't work out, I would have shaved off like what, 600 I was down just from getting chopped up there. Potentially more if I carried on, if it carried on going sideways. And then if I never then got a second winner out of it, I'd be a bit annoyed about it. So it's just about playing it by ear and seeing how it goes. ES needs to break this level though, doesn't it? This is what's holding us up. NQ is slowly bleeding off, but oh, ES is below it. ES is below it. Is it going to stay there? What was the consistency on take profit trader? 6 maximum position size. I don't know if that's what you're asking. Is 6 minis or 60 micros in the 50Ks. I can't remember what it is on the 150Ks. Not anything that I'm going to be anywhere near. But it's the whole 50% consistency rule is the standard. So I don't actually know how much it is on the 150Ks. I probably should check, shouldn't I? I mean, if 9K is the profit target, then 4.5K for the day would be a max. I'm going to trail down nice and aggressive now. I don't want to give anything back. And I'll be calling after this trade as well, I think. When ES is getting to this sort of level, and we're getting to this sort of level, I'm going to be wanting to get out, I think. If we can push it down that far. Well, I'm out. Didn't like how that bar was looking. 1,630 on the day. What was up originally? 1,400. 1,450. So I got a little bit more out of it. Squeezed a little bit more out of it. Was that right? It was 1,450, I think, wasn't it? 1,465 it was after the first trade, so added an extra 200. I don't know if it was worth the stress of it. And the trouble is, I just feel like we're at a level where this could be a double bottom kind of situation. So I didn't want to I don't want to wait for it to sweep this level. Yes, hasn't really been looking over that weak all day. Looking fairly weak now, but I just feel like we're at a level where buyers could be gobbling up. But yeah, it's definitely done. That's definitely me done for the day. Still got 10 minutes of a time window, but I'm not wanting to get into anything else. Yeah, we're melting away now. Right, I think that's going to be my week concluded there. So for the week then, this is a fresh account on Monday. It's a fresh 150k account, so I'm at 1,510 on the week on this account, which is nice. And then on the funded, I am up 283. And it's unlikely I'm going to take another trade tonight. I'm going to be barbecuing. And we've also got that Trump and Putin meeting, and that could be fucking hell on earth for the markets. Yeah, a couple of nice shorts taken. Chopped up a little bit, but overall pretty happy with it, how it's gone, to be honest, today. Been a little while since I've been 1,600 up on the day, so cannot complain. Right, enjoy your weekend, guys. I'll be back on Monday. And yeah, cheers for stopping by. Cheers for stopping by. Enjoy your weekend and take it easy if you're still trading. Remember that meeting is later with Putin and Trump. Take it easy if you're trading it, man. Take it easy. I'll try to see you Monday. See you later, sloth. Have a good barbecue. Yes, fingers crossed. If I remember, I'll try and get a picture in Discord. It won't compare to Leo's, but we'll try. We'll try. Have a nice weekend, lads. See you later. Bye-bye.